Hello again, this is Nate Dogg, aka Nate Balville from the Pro Sports Extra YouTube channel, and I'm back with another Uper / State of Michigan News segment. Earlier Monday night, there was a tornado that happened just west of Escanaba in the Upper Peninsula. Here's a look.
Fast. Look how low it is. Look at, holy shit, look at how
It looks like it's trying.
forming something.
Is that a fucking tornado? What is that? What is that?
It's forming something. Look at it. It is.
It's
look.
a fucking tornado.
Oh my God, Karen.
That's creepy.
Oh my God, we gotta get the fuck.
It's going in a like circular.
In its path, it has left extensive damage and a lot of debris on the highways. As you can see in our screen recorded video, there is a lot that needs to be cleaned up. Even with the tornado leaving extensive damage and leaving a large pickup behind, there were no reported injuries as a result of this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the Pro Sports Extra YouTube channel.